you want to be a medical student, here are 10 things you will need while you're in medical school. And if you're a medical student and your life sucks like mine, it's probably because you don't have these things. So today we're going to be giving you the 10 essential things that a medical student must, would, should have. Is that correct? Number 1, stethoscope. So in our first, second, and third years, right, there was actually no use for the stethoscope. But going up to the 4th, 5th, and 6th, it's actually required because 1, it would make your patient trust you. Like, look at me. Up till today, you've actually not thought that I was a medical doctor. But see, I look like one. Sometimes you have to give the patient that assurance that someone is taking care of them. Even if you're not checking anything, you just have to make them feel like they're being taken care of. And finally, it's very, very, very essential in cardiology because you have to use it to listen to the 4 heart sounds. That's S1, S2, S3, and S4. Number 2, headphones. Now, you have to understand that not everybody has the same schedule as you. You might want to study and your roommate might want to watch a movie or even have fun. So this is where noise cancellation headphones come through. What did you say? Oh, okay guys. So I usually use this to block out the world, especially when I'm studying. And if you're like me that's interested in studying music when memorizing, this can come in very handy. So guys, I have 2 of this. The first person that gets to my room, if you're in Russia, gets it for free. Okay guys, number 3, you need to buy a good laptop because you're probably going to have this for the rest of your life. Guys, this world now is a global village. You get less of books and more of online lectures, online books, and things are mostly online. So if you're like me and you watch Ninja Nerd or Speed Pharmacology and all that, you're surely going to need a good PC to be able to take your notes, read lectures off, and watch some videos. And it will be very essential when you're studying. Number 4, you have to have your lab coats or your scrubs. It's actually indiscipline to walk around a medical university without a lab coat or your medical attire. That is if you're a medical student. So it's necessary to have these things, especially when you're having classes and when you're going to the hospital. So as a medical student, you have to have your lab coats for normal classes and your scrubs for practical classes at the hospital. Why so? It's because you have to have sterile clothes for the hospital because these are disinfected areas to avoid bringing infection to already infected patients. Number 5, a backpack. You will definitely need a backpack. Why? Because you're going from class to class, from lesson to lesson, and you need a backpack to carry your scrubs, your lab coat, your laptop, because your laptop would help you, especially in times where you need to prepare for a test. It will help you to prepare quickly. So guys, when you're buying a backpack, advice: don't go for things that are trendy because trends pass away. You need something durable, something that can last in the rain, in the snow, even in the heat. And surely Armund got this bag 3 years ago and he's still using it up to today. So guys, get a backpack that will work for you. Escaping from your mind is very crucial, especially if you're in med school. It is very important if you're a boy, especially if you like video games. Get yourself a PS4 or a PS5 and get on that thing to escape from reality. And if you're a girl and you also like games, get yourself a PS4 and a PS5 also to get that leisure. And please guys, this is definitely for you. Get a comfy bed that you can return to every time you come back from a tiring day at school and relax. Get your head to relax from all the stress and everything. And guys, I'm sorry, the camera battery is low, so unfortunately we can't shoot the rest. If you've subscribed, stay tuned for the rest of the 4 things you're going to need in the next video. See you guys another time. Subscribe.